Let's understand market price to book value ratio. In short, we also call it as PB ratio. In this ratio, basically we will be comparing the market price of the share with book value per share. So the formula part is like this: market price per share in the numerator, book value per share in the denominator. Market price per share we generally know. We can also make use of this formula to find out. And for book value per share, we have to take the total equity divided by number of equity shares. Look at this. Market price is 100 rupees, book value per share is 25 rupees. In that case, 100 by 25 you get the value as 4 times. So what does that mean? It means that particular share is overvalued. People are ready to pay 4 times than its actual worth. Why? Because they have high expectations. They are expecting future benefit from this organization. Let us take another example. Look at here. Market price is 100 whereas book value per share is 400. And here if you calculate the ratio, it is going to be 100 by 400. It is going to be 0.25 times. This means this particular share is undervalued. It has more potential in the future.